Good night, my teacher, Miriam Quispe Chuquillanqui. I am studying Keri Yanisa Yupanqui Rodriguez, the course Conversation class. My name is Keri. I am 27 years old. I currently work at UGEL Puerto Inca. At last year I spent a trip to the city of Tingo Maria on my vacation. My purpose is to share my experience. During these trips, the cultural difference I observe, I hold, I respect a culture different from my own. My personal experience on my trip. Travel to the city of Tingo Maria, its province, Leoncio Prado, Department of Huánuco. The reason for my trip was for a work vacation, since I'm needing to relax after a lot of stress. I always wanted to visit Tingo Maria, but I didn't have the time to travel to this beautiful city. Observant cultural difference. The people who live in the city of Tingo Maria have a more spiritual and protective relationship with nature. Local gastronomy is an essential part of its culture. English dishes such as tacacho, white crust meat, juanes, and traditional browns. Community life hospitality I discuss language I Quechua and indigenous variants reinforce the cultural riches of the area. Music, traditional dance, such as the Huanuqueña guides and festivals, such as the San Juan Festival, are live experiences of their cultural identity. 4. On respect toward local culture. 1. Value ancestral wisdoms and their relationships with nature. 2. Participation while humility and local customs. 3. There is a brief discourse and examples of traditional places. Conclusion. Travel is more than convenience, please. It's knowing people a different ways of safe life. Their experience I think Maria, wise and listening in humility and cultural openness. Question to reflect. 1. How would you rate two comes different from you have tried? 2. What do you think we can learn from cultures different from ours? 3. Have you ever felt you of this culture? How do you deal with it? 4. What does I mean to you? Show respect toward another culture. Thank you so much.